What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and in my hand I hold the Bandit 10-inch Carbonmax WP Wellington from Wolverine. Now here we have a boot that's made from a premium waterproof full grain leather upper. You also have these sturdy leather side straps on the side because these are pull-on work boots after all. Now up front for added protection, a Carbonmax nanotechnology safety toe, which is super lightweight and non-conductive to heat or cold, and that's going to give you a roomier toe box as well as protection from falling or rolling objects. Now this Carbonmax safety toe does meet a few ASTM safety standards, and for the specific codes for those standards, definitely check out the description because it'll all be in bold lettering for you. Now the interior here is lined with a very soft and breathable material, so that's going to feel great against the foot while providing you with a great in-shoe environment. And this also has an iconic ContourWelt construction, and that's going to provide superior flexibility for all-day wear, and has a strong and durable bond with the outsole, so you don't have to worry about these boots just falling apart on you out there on the job site. Now this comes with a dual density polyurethane footbed, and as you can tell from the side, plenty of support and cushioning with this. And the top layer here is very soft, almost like a memory foam material, so it's going to feel great when you have these on. And all this sits on top this durable and lightweight rubber outsole that features multi-shock rugged lug pattern here for superior traction. Now you don't want to miss out on these tough boots right here, so get yourself a pair today. It's from Wolverine.